This Coldwell Banker Bishop Realty property video is presented by Barbara Newton. Breathtaking mountain and valley views from the patio and deck. The chalet-style windows frame the spectacular views of Strawberry. It has a large open floor plan that everywhere you look is incredible. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-story home, large 2-car garage and paved driveway has so much to offer. Downstairs has its own kitchen, 1-bedroom, family room, bathroom and utility room that could be used as an in-law suite or spacious room for entertaining. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara Newton at 928-310-9361.